If you use Claude AI and Google Ads, you might be wondering if you can connect the two. The good news is you can. And once it is set up, it can make your advertising workflow much easier. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Claude AI to Google Ads. First, open Claude and sign into your account. Then, go to your settings and look for the Integrations or Connected Apps section. Depending on your Claude version, the options may look slightly different. Next, check if Google Ads is available as a supported connection. If it is, select Google Ads. You may then be asked to sign in to your Google account. Make sure you use the account that has access to your Google Ads account. Google will also ask you to review the permissions. Take a moment to check what Claude is requesting. If everything looks correct, approve the connection. After that, return to Claude. Your Google Ads account should now be connected. But there is one important thing to remember. Claude does not automatically have unlimited access to everything in your advertising account. The exact features available depend on the integration and permissions you have enabled. Once connected, you can use Claude to help with tasks like creating ad ideas, writing headlines, improving descriptions, analyzing campaign information, and brainstorming keywords. This can save a lot of time. You can also give Claude specific instructions. For example, you could ask it to create several Google Ads headlines for a specific product. Then, you can review the suggestions before using them in your campaigns. I would still recommend checking everything manually. AI can make mistakes. So don't publish ads without reviewing the targeting, wording, budget, and campaign settings. Overall, connecting Claude AI with Google Ads can be useful if you want to speed up your advertising workflow.